What's up, guys? Today, something surprising came in the mail today, and you guessed it, a Hampton-based Santa Cruz. Yep. This is a fan that I discovered from, I think Ian's fan collection. I'm pretty sure I discovered it from that. When I first saw it, I was like, wow, that's a really good fan. So, yeah, here it is today. It has 2 light bulbs, the light kit right here. It's a very nice light kit. Light pack. I think these are the blade arms or the down rod, I'm not sure. But either way. Alright. So this might be the rest of the blade arms. Either way, when I unboxed it, it was packed very, very nicely, which I am impressed about. Here's the motor and where you connect the light kit to. And here's the blades. I ordered it in a chartreuse finish. Chartreuse isn't a bad color. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe and like for more. Bye.